Hey guys, you guys wanted another video and I got one, and guess what? Rick's back. Hi. No. Did you love my hair there? Sexy shit. Shut up. No, it's not. It's mine. It's mine. Mine. Ah. Okay, no. Bad. I'm gonna sing a song. Or rap. Sing, song, rap up. I hate the drama, rumors, and all the bullshit that you spread. If killing wasn't illegal, I would shoot you in the head. Cause I'm pulling on trigger, I'm putting middle finger, giving up to me that I focus, I'll do it for a win. But instead of bringing your hold on hands, so they get to bam. But just try to fuck with me, they don't wanna get there. If you wanna get your hand, they're a dodgy and a sir. I don't hit the dick and cause them down bullshit that I'm never going to. You guys think this little shit. I've been cheated, I've been broken, but I'll not be oppressed. Got every lasting ticket till there's hardly nothing left. But the haters keep on telling me when I was on hurt. It's because I keep on saying haters first to their head. No. Yours can't bring me down now. I want to hand around. I refuse to sink, I'd rather swim. I'm not going down, cause I will win. Can't hold me back, where will you be? I'll be anchored down, you'll be lost. I'm not gonna get the crazy highlight. I got it'll that's the people say no to because I think I need a dear content for I can't say you'll do not this way. They just hear this all over them like, oh, really? Is it true that you can say real life a minute because I get that be the viewers and I want to help me. The thing is, I do me, you know, I wanna be, don't need permission, I do what I please, and when it becomes where you breathe. No, your words can't bring me down. No, I choose the sun, guide of the sun, I'm not going down, cause I can't hold me back. Where will you be? I'll be anchored down, I'll be lost out. Okay, this is stupid. This is stupid! Why? Because you suck. You suck! I don't suck. You suck. Just swallow. You swallow. There. Shh, it's okay. Hey! Stop! No. Okay, and I'm gonna meet you. Don't stop! Stop! Get him! No, please, stop! I'm being attacked! Help! Okay, it's a puppy bra! Okay, so this is Rick's brother, actually. This is Rick's brother. His name is my name's Jay. I thought we decided on Tim. You sure? Are you sure you want Jay? Yeah. Okay. I'll stick one. So I'm gonna be doing some songs now, and yeah. Get my pretty bracelet on. Just look at this. Just swag. I'm gonna pause this. We're done. No. Yes. No. I have a limit. If you guys want to see more of Jay, yeah, just like it. Like, subscribe, comment, share. Bye!